Hey guys, welcome back to Team Perfect Cuts. Today is Clear here, and y'all, I'm going to tell y'all about the week. We had so much fun. We went camping and everything. Like, y'all, it was the bomb. We had so much fun, so y'all, make sure y'all watch this video so y'all can see everything me and my family did while we was camping, y'all. It was amazing. I had so much fun. It was for my fall break. Y'all don't understand how much fun I had. We got to cook our own little meal and everything. It was so much fun. And y'all, I was just like, oh, like, it was so fun. I'm just smiling so hard. But yes, it was so fun. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe so y'all can see the video. And make sure y'all stay tuned to see the rest of the video. Peace.
We at it again, y'all. Let's get it.
She wanna hold me like a ransom, but the money keep me running. I know I've been in my bag anyway.
Love affair. Matter of fact, her man Swiss Beats, when she had the love affair, they actually did several remixes for his jam. This is the original version.
Why Kalia moving so much? Camera girl down. Camera girl down. Somebody call 911. Get your one dooley. Show her how to do it, Dooley. Show her, Dooley. There it is, Dooley.
Got it. You got it, Pop? after you tell her to jump out there.
I'll be okay.
Go. Come on, Tasha.
Come on, Taja. Do it, Taja. Look at that. Ah!
You gotta get it. Right here.
Come on, Taja.
How you gonna get the seaweed? Come on, move. Move out the way, 'cause you're gonna start moving.
Hey, my arm.
Ooh, we're gonna do it again.
Team Perfectcuts, we at it again, y'all. Lake Towboat. Show y'all what we produce today. Catch and release. Throw 'em in.
Time is winding down. Clock is ticking.
Got neighbors moving in tonight. That's a blessing, y'all. Team Perfectcuts, we at it again, y'all.
Okay, y'all, I hope y'all liked that video that we just had. Make sure y'all stay tuned for part 2. Part 2 is when we go to the Perry Fair, and that's gonna be way better than this video y'all just saw. Like, make sure y'all stay tuned for part 2 when we go to Perry Fair. We're gonna see my cousin Haven and everything. It's gonna be so much fun. So make sure y'all stay tuned to watch that. And also, y'all will see our merch that we have, a Team Perfectcuts merch with our YouTube thing on the back. Y'all, it's gonna be amazing, like perfect. So make sure y'all stay tuned for part 2, and we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you get, and press the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Peace.